Today we'll talk about how can you create password on your Quizlet app. We're going to figure out the solution on how you can do that on your Quizlet app. So you just follow this ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, just click here on profile down here. When just click here on profile, it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this here. Then you click here on your settings. When just click on it, come to this list here. It's going to show for you like this. You click here on create a password here. Then it's going to show for you a list like this. You click here on continue with Google here. So then it's going to take you to next step here. Add here new password, then confirm here your new password. Then you click here on save, then it's going to save with you. That's all you have to do. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.